Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the Frigidaire dryer E4A error code in 2025, you're in the right place. This pesky error often pops up due to issues with the dryer's temperature sensor or overheating, and it can really throw a wrench in your laundry routine. Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through it step by step, so you can get your dryer back up and running in no time. First off, let's break down what this E4A code means. In Frigidaire dryers, E4A typically signals a problem with the thermistor or a blockage in the venting system, which could lead to the machine shutting down for safety reasons. The good news is that this is often something you can fix at home without calling a professional right away. To start troubleshooting, make sure your dryer is unplugged for safety. That's crucial to avoid any electrical mishaps. Once it's off, check for lint buildup in the filter and exhaust vent. Lint is a common culprit, as it restricts airflow and causes the dryer to overheat. Grab a vacuum or a brush and clean it out thoroughly. If that doesn't do the trick, reset the dryer by unplugging it for a full 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, inspect the venting hose for any kinks or blockages. Sometimes, a simple repositioning can fix the issue. Also, consider if your dryer is overloaded or if you've been using it too frequently without breaks. Giving it a rest can prevent overheating. For more advanced problems, like a faulty thermistor, you might need to use a multimeter to test it, but that's a bit more technical, so proceed with caution or consult your user manual. Remember, if none of these steps work, it's time to call in a certified technician to avoid any risks. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the lint filter after every load and checking vents annually, can help prevent this error from happening again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Stay safe and happy fixing.